Welcome to Kenny's. Today we're working on 2007 BMW X3. The 600 straight. This vehicle 4x4 light on and the tire is locking up. So basically you cannot turn the steering all the way, but run and drive. So this seems like a transfer case issue. Okay, so first of all, I just come in, I drain the fluid. See the fluid right here? You drain it, and this one you fill it. So this is loose too. So see the fluid is very low. Okay, so it could be the fluid is 90% the fluid, and also there's a transfer case motor, which this little harness is broken. Okay, the sensor. We gonna remove the transfer case motor. This is transfer case, okay, you know, this for all-wheel drive, and this is the motor. The motor is, I basically have 4 bolts, 1 2 3 4, and 2 little harness. This harness, see the big harness, let's just move it. Alright, so this job is kind of very tough. You do it on the ground, you gotta have a lift. So what I did, you see this here, 13mm screws hold the transmission mount. Okay, get 2 of them on this side. I remove it, and you got 2 more on this side. So you don't have to take it out all the way. So because we just need to make a room. This is, you have room now. Okay, this transfer case motor is like basically I think it's anything from 300 to 600, depend where you buy it. A used one is go for like 200. So I have a used one. I'm gonna install the used one. This is working fine. This is a BMW. This is why we're here. Of course, we're gonna change the transmission fluid. This transmission too low, and also, okay, so they recommend this fluids. They recommend this kind of fluid for this. Is it automatic transmission fluid? You can put synthetic, but this is a good quality. We're gonna use this. Just want to make it quickly. This is the transmission oil pan, drive shaft, front drive shaft from the differential to the transfer case. And like I said, this vehicle stuck on a low 4x4 low, so it's tough. We just hoping the transfer case still good, but we're gonna do this and find out, because I don't want to just change the transfer case. It's so hard to go bad. This is BMW. They build it strong. Okay. There's another one out. It's simple to do. If you have a lift, it's very easier. But if you don't have a lift, so it's gonna be tough. Okay, so like I said, I don't have a camera now. You gotta excuse me here. Okay, there you go. Back to here. So I did lose the bolts, so I can take it out with my hand. This is a transfer case motor. So this is common with BMW. But this vehicle, the oil is really bad. It's low, so this is this is not a good sign for the transfer case. But we're just hoping for the best. So that's all. Okay, here we go. And see, I'm so busy. I have a lot of cars, but I would like to do this video to help out anybody have an issue with BMW. Just keep watching. There's one more bolt I have to take out. So right now, see, you gotta put the Okay, so I fill it up with this pump. So this is manual pump. You put it, it's like one half quart transmission fluid. So I just fill it up with this to put it back. And this is the bad boy I replace. So the fluid was so bad, I'm sure this motor overheat, the transfer motor, so it's overheat, it's get hot. So we're hoping for the transfer case is still good because the oil was so bad. Like can show, see this little metal stuff you can see in there because the fluid was so bad. So hopefully there's a good time we save this life. And now yeah, 30mm right here. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Let's see, there's one bolt in. Okay, so we got, yeah, we can do it on the ground, but it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be so tough. See, now it's gonna get out. There you go. Okay, so everything back in there. You got 2 more bolts. We're gonna screw it in and clean it up. Basically, just before we go down with the vehicle. Like you see, this bolt is going right here. Just need a long extension, 13mm. We'll do it. There you go. We get the last bolt to put it in, then we'll be done. That's it. Funny. Looking for the bolt. There you go. I got it. So this is you got plenty of room here actually for BMW. You got plenty of room. Usually BMW, this is the gun I use, snap-on gun. So with BMW, there's no room, but those old ones, they build it kind of strong. Okay, apologize. Just want to put the last bolt in. There you go. There you go. It's all set. So okay, so we got some brake fluid, brake cleaner. See, just the oil here. So we're hoping for the best. This transfer case is still good because we did the service on it now. Basically, the fluid change and the transfer case motor replacement. There you go. Well, all set. BMW X3 done. Just gotta start it up. Okay, so okay, the keys in the ignition. Light it out. There you go. We just fixed it. Wow. See the steering? I can turn around so easy here now. Wow. See? The steering was locking. I'm gonna clear the code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, leave comment down below, and likes if you have any question about any European car and domestic, so we can help. So this vehicle was, you cannot even turn around to go, was locking up the transfer case. Now it's good. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Kenny.